Hi, welcome to the new topic. Today I am going to explain the useful and powerful formula in Excel. Every user of Excel or people working on data in Excel should know this formula. I am talking about VLOOKUP formula in Excel. I assume you know Excel and how to work with formulas because here I am explaining VLOOKUP formula only. The purpose of learning VLOOKUP is to upgrade your Excel skills. It will help you to handle the data in an efficient way and saves your time when it comes to data search. By the end of this video, you should be able to define the VLOOKUP formula and its parameters, explaining the usage of VLOOKUP formula, applying in sample data to get the desired results. Wow, that's beautiful data in Excel and considerably large data. Data looks beautiful only if you follow correct and standardized formatting. VLOOKUP is applicable only to those well-maintained and formatted data. In this file, if you want a particular information about the particular person, then you should use the VLOOKUP formula. VLOOKUP is like searching a particular house address in an area by using house name. Formally, VLOOKUP searches a specified value in the leftmost column and returns a value in the current row from a column you specify. Remember, it searches value from left to right. Definition always needs explanation. House name is in the leftmost column and the row contains the details of that particular house. If need address, pull out of that particular column. VLOOKUP got 4 parameters. First, lookup value can be a specific name, in this case house name. Table array, enter data, select the entire table. Column index number, number of columns specified, column 4 for house address. Range lookup, true or false, approximate match or exact match. Let us see an example. I have taken a small table with fewer rows and fewer columns. This will help you to understand the VLOOKUP formula much easily. For example, I am taking the name Bhaskar. Bhaskar is having the following data being entered in Excel. Like if you see for the Bhaskar, it has gender, district, state. Likewise, there are multiple data. So now, suppose if you want the education level of your Bhaskar, then I have to say the Bhaskar name, then go to that particular column of educational level, then you can find out 11th to 12th as an education level. The same thing, to do it easily and to do it effectively, we can use this VLOOKUP formula. So we'll keep this table as a reference. Below this table, I made one more small table only with the name and education level. So over name you want to search, you can copy that name, or if you know the name correctly, you can type the name here, copy paste the name. Here in the education level, I am writing the formula. So I am going for equal to VLOOKUP, open the bracket. The first one is lookup value. Here my lookup value is the name Bhaskar. Then put the comma. The next one is table array. So my reference table I am selecting from the name to the education level. You can see the change in the color. Selection is done. Then go for the comma where you can see you need to find out what is the column number of the education level starting from name. So if you count, name is 1, 2, 3, is 4, like this, it comes as 8 as an education level. So I am selecting and typing 8, that is the column number. Then the last value is range lookup, which is true or false. False is for exact match, true is for approximate match. So if I close the bracket, then enter, you will get the result. Suppose if I want to know for some other store, some other name, you can say I'm typing the name and enter. It will change automatically. So if I'm going for one more name, enter. So it is easier to search and it is very fast, time saving. Now let us see the example 2 where we are going to use the VLOOKUP again. So now I am going for the next sheet where it has got only two columns like name, district. My example 1 sheet will have the same data which we used for the previous example. In example 2, only names are given. I want to know which district they are from. Suppose if you have thousands of data and if you want to search only few names where you need to match, then VLOOKUP is going to help you to do it easily. So here I am writing the formula for VLOOKUP. Before that, if you see this names are already available in the sheet number 1. So now in the sheet number 2, I am going for the district. I am typing this same formula, VLOOKUP. My lookup value is the first name, put the comma. Here the difference is my reference table. My reference table is not in the example 2 sheet, it is in example 1. So click on the example 1, select your reference table, put comma. Now find out the column index number for district. This comes as 1, 2, 3. So type 3 as the column number, put comma, then as usual, either true or false. Enter. Now you can see it has found the district already. So that is using the VLOOKUP formula between the sheets. And to make it more absolute, what you can do, you just click on this cell number between the letter and the number. You have to include this dollar symbol, and again it is I15. So after I, you can add this dollar symbol. So this is for the absolute reference. Just enter this. Now just double click at the end of the cell. It's done. So it's faster, easier, and we can find accurate results. Hope you understand the simplicity and complications in VLOOKUP in Excel. Practice makes you perfect. All things are difficult before they are easy. If you are looking forward for more videos, please subscribe. Thank you once again.